Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the escape sequence. In Java, the backslash is a special character called the escape character. It is used in representing certain byte space characters. Escape sequences has a special meaning. Now, escape sequences always start with the slash, backslash you can say, and they have a special meanings that perform some actions in the code basically. So these are the some most important escape sequences in Java. First of all, we have the /n, which means new line. For example, if we have a string and we want to cut this string into two lines, for example, Java 8, and we want to move the 8 to the next line, then we use the /n between Java and 8 so that we can move 8 to the next line. So /n basically creates the new line and move all the remaining string to the new line. Or if you add the /n at the end of the string, then the cursor will move toward the next line. Next we have /t, horizontal tab space. Now for example, if we want to print a space between the two strings or characters or anything, one tab space, you can use the horizontal tab space. Now tab space consists of 3 to 4 spaces, you can say that. And if you want to print at one tab space, you definitely use the /t, which is one of the most important escape sequences in Java. Now next we have /b, one character backspace. For example, you have written Java in the string JAVA, and at the end of the Java you add /b. Now /b will remove one character from its left side. For example, JAVA, when you add /b at the end, then the remaining string will be JAV. It is basically a backspace. So I hope you understand. Next one is single quote. If you want to print a single quote in the string, you use the slash and then you have to write the single quote, and this will print single quote on the screen. Moving to our next, I have the double quote. If I want to print double quote on the screen, I first of all type the slash and then quote, double quote. This will print double quote on the screen. And at the end we have backslash. If I want to print backslash, then I add two backslashes. That means I have to print the backslash on the screen. Now keep one thing in your mind, that escape sequence always start with the backslash. You can see here all of them are starting with the backslash, so you always have to write the backslash before typing any escape sequence. So now let's create a program in NetBeans so that we have a better understanding that how escape sequences works in Java. So here first of all in NetBeans, in the main method, I am going to type statement here, system.out.println, and in this I type here Java 8 for example. And if I run this program, you will see Java 8 on the screen. Okay. So if I want to move this 8 on the next line, I add here /n. As we have read in the slides, that /n is used to print a new line. Now if I run this program, you will see 8 on the new line. It cut off the string from here and move 8 to the new line. So in this way /n works. Now if I want to print one tab space between Java and 8, then I add here /t. And now if I run this program, you will see Java and 8 has a one tab space between them, you can see here. Okay, so this is /t. Next we have /b. Now if I remove this from here and add /b here like this, and now if I run, you will see only Java on the screen. Because one character back 8 is removed, the remaining string is Java, so we get Java on the console. So this is the backspace if I want to remove one character from its back. Next we have /single quote. If I want to print single quote, then I just type here I/single quote and then am a boy like this. And now if I run this program, you will see I am a boy on the screen like this. So this prints single quotation on the screen. Now if I want to print a double quotation, I remove it and add double quotation here. And now if I run this program, you will see double quotation on the screen. So in this way, single quotation and double quotation are printed on the screen. And now if I want to print the slash on the screen, then I add here one slash more like this. And now if I run this program, you will see a single slash between I and M. So in this way, escape sequences works. Most of the time in Java we use the \n and \t, as these are one of the most important escape sequences in Java, and we mostly use these two. So I hope you understand about the escape sequences. If you feel any problem, you can definitely ask me a question. I will help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.